Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how I made trellis for my cucumbers. So I bought these stakes, wooden stakes from Bunnings. These are quite long and these are from Garden Stakes and the length is 1500 mm and it comes in the bundle of 10. But we would need only 3 of them. And these are the 4 stakes that I got from my garden tree, and I need to make them of the same size, so I will make them of the size of the smaller one and cut all the extra branches, small branches from it, and I will use this clipper to do the cutting. Here I have arranged the stakes and the sticks in the pattern that I'm going to make, and these ties I'm going to use to tie them up. So here, as you can see, I have made this trellis. Use these ties over here, and because they were very long, so I tied them around the second round, and I will cut out the extra ones. Now, as you can see here, that from this big stem, this other branch is coming out, but I don't want to cut this one because there are already so many cucumbers in this one which are growing. But here, as you can see, there's this other one coming out from here, and it would be better to cut it off right now so that we don't have a big chaos in our hand. It's just like in tomatoes, if you don't cut the suckers on time, they will be spread like a jungle. So I will cut off this small one from here and let this one grow. So now when it's all well organized, you can see there are so many flowers and so many cucumbers.